Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best claw hammers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Claw Hammers. Few tools are as versatile as the common claw hammer. Equally adept at creation and destruction, these tools have the power to breathe life into a project or completely dismantle it with just a couple of swings. You'll rarely see a tool belt that isn't loaded with one of these tools. You can start by reading the following that will compare some of the best and see how they stack up. Number 5. Tekton 16 ounces Jacketed Fiberglass Brass Hammer. Virtually unbreakable, lightweight fiberglass handle core is wrapped a tough, impact-absorbing poly jacket that prevents damage caused by missed strikes. Main features: soft and comfortable rubber grip, high-strength fiberglass handle, made for automotive. Number 4. 16 ounces Claw Hammer by Hakeo One-Piece Steel. Suitable for different hammering events, household repair, and construction. Non-slip eco-friendly TPR rubber-covered handle provides comfortable hold in hands, great for shock absorption. Main features: high durability, ergonomic handle, multi-purpose. Number 3. 8 ounces Stubby Claw Hammer 2-pack by Hakeo. Dealing small hammering jobs in daily work, like home and car repair, woodwork. Forged by high-grade steel, bright surface and durable. Stably strike and effortlessly pulling out of nails. Main features: ergonomic TPR handle, widely application, easy to operate. Number 2. Best Choice 8-ounce Stubby Claw Hammer. Constructed from hardened and forged alloy steel for dependable strength, the hammer's head is permanently and securely assembled to fiberglass handle will never loosen over time. Main features: built-in magnetic nail holder, anti-shock handle, ergonomically designed. Number 1. Irwin Hammer Fiberglass General Purpose Claw 16OZ. It features a smooth face to prevent surface marks, curved base to prevent slippage and a hardened end cap for maximum durability. Main features: forged steel superior durability, fiberglass construction absorbs, hybrid handle design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.